Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust lock screen clock thickness on this device. So first of all, let me go to my lock screen. So you can see this is my lock screen clock size and thickness. So let me show you how to adjust this one. Simply customize. For this, press and hold the lock screen. Tap on customize. Tap on the clock widget. Okay, now here you can see we can adjust from this one to this one. This is the maximum thickness we can apply on the clock, and this is the minimum thickness that we can apply. So according to your choice, you can adjust or you can give the thickness. So simply in this way we can adjust the lock screen clock thickness on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.